Hello guys, I am here to discuss some important concept of triangle, and that concept is about how to find circumradius of a triangle. So let's start the concept and try to learn it. To find circumradius of a triangle, first of all we know that what is circumcircle of a triangle. So our first concept is what is circumcircle of a triangle. So learn it. A circle which is passes through all three vertices of a triangle. A circle which is passes through all three vertices of triangle, that circle is called circumcircle. It is very important and very easy concept. Now second concept is what? Circumcenter of a triangle. You know that each and every circle has a center, and the circumcenter is what? Circumcenter is what? The center of a circumcircle of a triangle is called circumcenter. If you draw circumcircle, that circle has also a center, and this center is called circumcenter. Obviously you know that. This is one of the most important concept, location of circumcenter of a triangle. Location of circumcenter of a triangle, that is, how can we find location of circumcenter of a triangle? The circumcenter of a triangle, the point where three perpendicular bisector of sides meet. Yes, if you draw a triangle and draw all three sides perpendicular bisector, and you got there what? All three perpendicular bisector meet at a point, and that point is called circumcenter of a triangle. Yes, remember that the intersection point of all three perpendicular bisector of a triangle is called circumcenter of a triangle. Okay, here is I've already mentioned it. A triangle ABC, and draw this perpendicular bisector of BC and perpendicular bisector of AB and perpendicular bisector of AC, and here is the meeting point of all three perpendicular bisector, and this point is called circumcenter of a triangle. Now we will know that what? One of the most important point, you know that circumcenter is equidistant from all three vertex of a triangle. You got that circumcenter is equidistant from all three vertex of a triangle. Yes, this is one of the most important point about circumcenter. What? Circumcenter is circumcenter is equidistant from all three vertex of a triangle. Here I have already mentioned that all three vertex of a triangle are equidistant from the circumcenter point O. Here is the point O circumcenter. The OA, OB and OC are equidistant. Here is already mentioned. This is one of the most important concept about circumcenter. Now you know that different types of a circle are different types of a triangle are available. Now our concept is circumcenter of a different types of a triangle. Yes. Now we will discuss circumcenter of a different types of a triangle. First of all, first triangle is acute angle triangle. What about circumcenter of an acute angle triangle? In an acute angle triangle, circumcenter lies inside of a triangle. Yes, if you draw an acute angle triangle and got all three perpendicular bisector of sides, and this point, obviously this point is called circumcenter. The circumcenter always lies in acute angle triangle inside the triangle. Yes, so this is one of the most important concept about circumcenter. What? Circumcenter is lies inside the triangle in an acute angle triangle. Okay, next point is what? In obtuse angle triangle, it lies outside the triangle. Yes, this is one of the most important. If you draw an acute angle triangle and draw all three perpendicular bisector, so you got the all three perpendicular bisector intersects outside of the triangle. That's why circumcenter of a obtuse angle triangle lies outside of the triangle in obtuse angle triangle. I hope you will remember it. Now we will move. This is one of the most important concept about triangle, circumcenter of a triangle. That is what? Circumcenter of a right angle triangle. Circumcenter of right angle triangle is what? If you draw right and right angle triangle, perpendicular bisector, draw perpendicular bisector perpendicular bisector, then you got that perpendicular, all intersection point of all three perpendicular bisector is midpoint of an hypotenuse, exactly. This is the concept. Circumcenter lies the midpoint of the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. Yes, circumcenter and midpoint is a coincide of a right angle triangle. That's why if you draw right angle triangle and if you draw circumcircle, if you draw here is, I have already mentioned that if you draw a right angle triangle, so perpendicular, all three perpendicular bisector meets the midpoint of hypotenuse. That's why this distance and this distance is equidistance. This all three distance are equal. Okay, so I hope you will remember it. Where is the circumcenter of a right angle triangle? That midpoint of a hypotenuse. Now we will discuss what? Circumradius. So obviously you know that each and every circle has a radius. So circumradius is what? That radius is circumcircle. Radius of a circumcircle is called circumradius. If you draw a circumcircle, here is already mentioned that I have already mentioned it. What? ABC is a triangle and this circle is circle. That's why OB, OA and OC are circumradius of a triangle. So circumradius is very simple. Radius of a circumcircle of a triangle that is circumradius of a triangle. Okay, now circumradius is denoted by capital R. It is one of the most important. That is what? Circumradius is denoted by capital R. This is one of the most important concept. That is what? Formula for finding circumradius of a triangle. How can we find the circumradius of a triangle in any triangle? If you draw, here is draw ABC as here triangle ABC and OB, OC and OA are circumradius of this triangle. Here is the measurement of all three sides of triangle ABC. BC is equal to A and AC B, and measurement of AV is C. So in triangle ABC, measured side of BC, AC and AB are unit ABC respectively, and obviously this distance and this distance is circumradius. OA, OB, OC are circumradius. That formula is what? R is what? Circumradius of this triangle. R equal to product of all three sides measurement divided by 4 delta. That is what? Delta is what? Here delta is area of triangle, where delta is area of triangle ABC. A related triangle, if you want to find the circumradius of this triangle, so delta is area of this triangle, obviously area of triangle ABC. Okay, so this is one of the most important formula about circumradius, and you can use this formula for each and every triangle ABC by 4 delta, product of all sides and divided by 4 delta. Okay, one of the most concept circumradius, and this is the last concept of our this session. Okay, circumradius of a right angle triangle. Obviously we have already mentioned circumradius of a right angle triangle. If you draw a right angle triangle and got circumcenter, the circumcenter is what? Hypotenuse, midpoint of hypotenuse. This is the midpoint of hypotenuse. So this distance, if x and this distance is also x and this distance is also, so this is if you find circumradius, so circumradius is what? Half of hypotenuse. So this is the all concept. It is the half of hypotenuse. This is the all about concept. Circumradius of a right angle triangle. It is a half of hypotenuse sides of a right angle triangle. If you ask anyone what is the circumradius of a right angle triangle, that will be half of hypotenuse, length of half of hypotenuse. Okay guys, I hope you liked it, and this is all for today. We meet to in next session, and I hope you liked it, and this is all for today.